welcome to another important project. In this project I show you how to change from summer to autumn or fall season. Let's start. First, I want to make an action to apply in one click on another image. Let's create action. Let's write autumn and record. First, let's create a selective color. Select yellow. Let's change the colors and select the green. Change green colors. I think let's create once again selective color. Control the green and select the yellow. Good. And now let's stop. Okay, go to File, Open, select another image and select this action, Auto, and apply in one click. So you can control, double click, you can control from here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about season conversion in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck.